everyone and welcome to this week's vlog. As you can see, I'm filming on my big camera because I'm thinking this vlog deserves a high definition display, because today I'm just going to decorate my room really Christmassy. As I'm filming this, it's the 24th of November, so it's technically 4 weeks till Christmas Eve, so I feel like this is an excuse to get everything out and put it in my room, because I have been feeling really crappy recently. In fact, this whole year, as you have seen if you've watched all my previous vlogs, I've not been feeling too good. So my parents very kindly got everything down from the attic for me. So I've got my tree right next to me, and I've also got some decorations, and we're just going to get decorating. And I want to take you guys along with me, because this year I have decided not to do a vlogmas, because I just want to take a step back and just relax and try and enjoy Christmas as much as possible at home. And usually in my previous vlogmas kind of like series, I always go out and show you guys London and stuff, but I can't this year, so I've just written it off. You will still see Christmas videos from me, but they're not going to be like officially vlogmas videos. And yeah, I'm feeling very kind of tired today, hence why I'm not like super energetic, but I did still want to mark this occasion with a video. So yeah, before we get into it, I want to show you guys some new bits I bought for the room, and then I'm just gonna jump into decorating. If the ladder wasn't here, this would have been like old school 2015 YouTube, the way I used to film videos in front of my shelves. But today's scent is going to be my new favourite candle. It is Candy Cane from a brand called Portfolio, and I got this from TK Maxx for $6.99, and I love candy cane. I decorate my tree with it every single year, so it only seemed fitting to actually have a proper scented candle. And it is got this really cute lid design, and it's a lovely 2-wick candle. It is quite big and it's so fresh and very strongly scented. So I'm going to be lighting up while I do my room today to be more festive. And I also have some new Christmas tree decorations. So these two are from Flying Tiger, and the first one is this really cute Santa on a moped bike, and he's just delivering all his presents for the Christmas Eve time. I don't know what I'm saying, but he's got a really funny little face as well. So I'm just gonna try and get more novelty kitsch kind of decorations, because I want to build up a really good collection. I have this really cool vintage looking tree in my future house, and it's going to be so traditional. I'm all for traditional Christmas, like the reds, whites, greens, oranges, like all the warm Christmassy colours. The other thing I got from Tiger is this kind of like a little house. It is super cute and looks so freaking cozy. I would want to live in it if it was real. And it looks like they've tried to make kind of like a candy cane kind of pattern here. And then along with the candle, I did buy a Christmas tree decoration from TK Maxx, which is my new favourite thing ever. It is so freaking cute, and it is a little hot air balloon with a little face. I just love it, and it's got like a little kind of, it's supposed to be tinsel I think on it, and it just looks so happy, and it's so adorable, very colourful as well. So I'm going to try and make this the centerpiece. The Flying Tiger decorations were £1 each, and this one, if you can find it, was $3.99, because I'm not going to go to Liberty London this year and I won't be able to buy like a nice little decoration from there, so I thought I'd treat myself to something from TK Maxx. So those are new bits for this year, so without further ado, let's just jump into decorating. So these are all the decorations I've had for a few years, And I've got my angel, which I'm going to put on top of the tree. She is super, super cute. I mean, you can't even see her head. Is that her head? Where has she gone? There she is. Yeah, so that's her very vintage kit. I love it. These baubles are from M&S I got last year, so they're pretty new. So is this little kind of hat from Anthropology. Got these little nutcrackers from Poundland. You get a set of 2 for £1. Pretty sure they have them this year as well. And all these other decorations are from Sainsbury's, Tiger, those cute kind of vintagey shops. And then I got tinsel, which I'm gonna put around my room. And yeah, bunting, very cute. So that's gonna be my aesthetic for this year. Of course, the lights as well. And yeah, and obviously I've got my new decorations here. It wouldn't be decorating a tree without some Christmas tags. I've got some like really cute Christmas pretzels. So, as you can see, I have a new desk, which is very cool, and I'm gonna basically put the tree here. I'm gonna play some Christmas music while you guys have a lovely montage, can listen and watch too, but it has copyright. But let's get the base of this tree on. This is my own playlist, by the way, if you guys ever want to listen to it. It's got a mix of like actual normal songs like Paramore. So literally just search "It's Christmas" and yeah, listen to it. It is a good 5-hour long playlist. Longer than usual, but I did it and I've got it kind of like on the edge, so I still kind of got room to work, but it is the part that I hate the most now, and it's the light. So wish me luck, and I'll catch you when the actual fun part comes, when I get to actually put things on the tree. So yay! So white today. I just look really pale, but I finally did it and I'm actually happy with the result. Yay! So it is time for my favourite part, which is to put all the baubles on the tree. So I am just so excited because it's gonna be so colourful, and I'm not gonna put every single one that I've got on my bed because I don't think they'll fit, but I will try and fit as many on as possible. So let's go! Again. So I have finished decorating my room. I've literally just got one bit of tinsel left to put onto my wardrobe, but I'm going to leave that till the afternoon. I'm going to take a break, maybe play some Animal Crossing, but my room looks so festive already. Look at my tree. Actually, I think it's the best it's ever looked. And I've got a stocking, Santa, and I've also got some bunting, you can't really see it, on my window as well. So yeah, that is my decorating done for this year, unless I manage to go to shops and breathe my local flying tiger and get some more decorations. But for now, this is everything I'm going to have this year, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I mainly did this to help you guys get inspiration if you're looking for anything different to decorate your like rooms, houses, spaces with. So a lot of these decorations I've had for years, since I was literally a child. But if you did enjoy this very festive video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click notification bell below to get updates when I next upload. My next video that I'm planning to do is the next Lush Kitchen box unboxing, so I hope you guys are excited for that. So thank you for joining me, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye!